Hi, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse. I thought I would show you how to make a super cute pumpkin. You are only going to need like a fat quarter of a favorite orange fabric and a toilet paper roll. There's no sewing involved. It takes like just a couple minutes to put these together. Are great for displaying. But then at the end of the season, you can actually remove the fabric, put it back on your shelf, and use it for another project. The supplies you need couldn't be simpler. You just need a fat quarter, one fat quarter per roll of toilet paper. Really, this is like a mega roll, and so any roll that you have sitting around would totally work. So just pick out what you have. Don't worry about the size. And then just go outside and grab a few things to stuff into your toilet paper roll. I'm going to go ahead and use this. You could press this if you wanted to. I'm not going to worry about it too much. Just for this demo, but seriously, you can just use it right out of the box, or if you want to, you can press them. What I'm doing is just grabbing the fabric, pulling it up, and stuffing it down the center hole of that toilet paper roll. You can kind of gather it cute. So, you know, the sides are a little wrinkly and gathered up. You're just going to stuff this inside. There you go. Seriously, what did that take? Like 30 seconds to do? So if you want, now is when you can go ahead and stick some sticks inside. If you want, you could hot glue things in, but that would get on your fabric and you couldn't really reuse it. So I'm just going to stick this into the hole and not worry about it. So just fiddle around with it. How cute is that? So I can just set this out on display at Thanksgiving or whatever holiday season you've got going on for dinner, or just as an extra decoration, even on your fireplace mantles or whatever. But really, this is the quickest thing to make. And when you're done, you're just going to take everything out, and you still have your fabric. You can wash it if you want. Or just put it back on your shelf. I want to take a look at what the stripe fabric does. This might be super cute too. Just going to place my toilet paper right in the center and then start gathering and stuffing again. That's the stripe fabric. Now, if you want, you could go back and fiddle with these to make it look just a little more gathered if you weren't happy with it. Again, I'm going to take my greenery and stuff and just poke it right down in the center. And there I go. I've got another pumpkin ready to go. Super quick, super simple, and it's kind of cute. They're really kind of cute.